Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new one. Today we're going to be learning about the relational operators, equals and not equals. Now that we understand what Boolean expressions are, let's learn to create them in Python. Now we can create a Boolean expression using relational operators. Relational operators compare two items and return either true or false. For this reason, you might sometimes hear them being called comparators. And the two relational operators we're gonna cover first are gonna be the equals and the not equals. Now these operators compare two items and return true or false if they are equal or not. Now we can create Boolean expressions by comparing two values using these operators. So 1 equals true, 2 does not equal 4 is true, 3 equals 5 is false, and then 7, the letter 7, or like the string 7, is equal to the number 7, which is false. Now, each of these is an example of a Boolean expression. Why is the last statement false? The single quote marks in the 7 makes it a string, which is different from the integer value of 7. So they're not equal. Now, when using relational operators, it is important to always be mindful of type. Alright, determine if the following statements are true or false. Input your answer as true or false in the appropriate variable to the right. Alright, this sounds actually pretty fun. Alright, let's do it. So, first one. So 5 times 2 is 10, minus 1 is 9, is equal to 8 times, actually, you know what, we'll do this, just to make you guys more involved as well. So this is the statement, and we can see that 5 times 2 is 10, minus 1 equals 8 plus 1. So therefore it is 9 plus 9. Okay, so it's going to be true. Second one, so we're going to work it out because these get crazy after a little while. Okay, so we have 13 minus 6, which is 7, and then does not equal 6 plus 1. So 7 does not equal 7. That is false. Right, that's false. So put false for this one. And then let's do this one. So 2 minus 1, so 3 times 2 minus 1, that's 1 times 3, so 3 equals 3. And again, that's true, so we'll put true here. Right, and beautiful. Yep, that's gonna end it right here. That was equals and not equals. Basically, the two equal sign is the equals. This is not equals. It's very straightforward because this point means not, basically, and then of course equals. And remember, like the single equal sign is equal to the the defining of a variable. So like if you did like 3 equals 5, that doesn't work in Python because that means you're assigning the number 5 into the variable 3, kind of. So it's not going to work out. So that's something you want to keep in mind. But yeah, that's going to end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.